setting. Orlando Pirates 4 with Mamelodi in attack. Mofokeng. Troubled that Canadian defence. Now for Miller, for Canada. Real good stare at the goal, but he... Fantastic defending once again. In this Canada corner. There's a free header in there. As South Africa press now with Apolis. Africans, the header's down and almost in. Outstanding in there. Good follow-up. Additional minutes added on, and that will be bemoaning the chance. So break kindly for South Africa. Shot on, find a route to goal now. And the defender just wanted it and had taps. It's a good early pass as well. Neat little pass. Can have a go from there. This is dropping nicely. It's the key.